it's Nigel here from SMC Motorhomes, and today we're here to look at the Etrusco T5900 FB, the little French bed version. Start with the Fiat side of things. It's the 2.2 140 brake horsepower diesel, 8-speed automatic on this one. We've got the Fiat black alloy wheels. The vehicle's only 5.95 long, nice and compact, 2.32 wide and 2.95 high. Going down the side here, we've got the Etrusco graphics, awning light, the Thule awning, nice easy access door with a low step. Normal stuff down this side, fridge vents, electric hookup point and toilet cassette. Moving around the side, around the back here, got the nice clean lines, the Etrusco horse, plenty of room here for a bike rack if you did want to put one on. Twin reversing camera, these nice little stylish round lights. Working our way round to the access to the garage. Because this is a French bed and it's quite low down, we haven't got the huge door, but we've still got quite a decent sized door, about 2 foot wide, 2 foot high. It goes all the way down underneath there, so if you've got long items like windbreaks, etc., they will go in. Lash down points, little nice bit of floor finish in here, heater and a 3-point plug. Underneath here is the access from the inside where you can hire the bed. We'll look at that in a second. Water fill point, Truma gas vent, and then we've got the gas locker here, which also lowers down, so you can easily get your gas bottles in. Right, let's have a look inside. Don't forget, if you're enjoying our motorhome tour videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop us a like below. Here we're at the entrance door. We've got a little privacy blind in the front window here and a full-size fly screen for those nasty midges. Come on in and let me show you around the dinette. So here I'm sat in the dinette area of this little Etrusco. Table set in its normal position. It does have an extender on it which extends it out. That's down in a little cupboard just there for a little bit more room. We've got the 2 extra travelling seats here at the back, all in this really nice Cortona material. Nice little touch light above here, above the cupboard. Got a 3-pin socket down here. Got a USB just on there behind that travel seat. Yeah, lovely place to be. Nice and bright because we've got this lovely big bright window above us. And the kitchen area, well, in the entrance area as well. A little grab rail down here for when you come in. Light switches and a socket. Coming round the corner to the ample size fridge with a little freezer box in it. Above that we've got the 2-ring gas burner. Stainless sink with the now new obligatory black taps, which seem to be the big thing at the moment, and also the little black hanging rail. In front of you you've got a window for ventilation with a blackout blind and a fly screen. Nice and handy on those warm days. Above there we've got a great big cupboard, loads and loads of space. This doesn't move, but you can get stuff behind there so it doesn't fall out when you're travelling. It's nice. Little Thetford oven down here with a grill. Cupboard down the bottom, a few more things. All your gas controls and gas switch off things here. Light switch for the bathroom and another 3-pin plug. Looking across here, we've got the Truma 6E controls, which are a gas and electric 6E Truma heating, and the actual control panel itself. Just here, little cupboard, little hidden trick up its sleeve. Only goes that far back at the top here, but these 2 here, cupboards, go all the way back. So, those little baskets that you get, slide them in there, loads and loads of space there. Right, let's move on. Right, now let's get to the bit that this little French bed T5900 is all about. As you can see, really good sized bed. Nice LED lighting in the headboard just there, which can turn on and off from a switch just there, which also controls the LED lights that are around the top. You'll also notice that underneath here, there are these lovely soft touch LED lights. Really nice mood lighting. Yeah, say big bed, and behind the bed, or at the end of the bed just here, huge compartment for shoes, etc. Loads of stuff you can get in there. Or if you're extra tall, you can put your feet in there when you go to sleep. And the other thing about this, as I showed you or said to you when we were looking at the garage, the bed does actually lift up like so, with access to the onboard water tank and the back of the garage. Really loads of space in here, loads of space. So although not heated, it's insulated because it's inside the vehicle, the water tank and the waste tank. All right, let's pop that down. Nice and easy, one-handed operation. And whilst you're tucked up in bed, if you want to, you've got a privacy curtain that goes all the way around you, which is rather nice. Yep, pop that back. Also, while you're in bed or while you're in the driving the passenger's seat, if you want to watch telly, hidden in here is a nice little ingenious bracket here that pulls all the way out. Television from there forward, or if you want to watch it in bed, just spin it round. Yeah, what a great idea. Okay, here we are at the back of the motorhome. One little thing I've not shown you is the great big hanging space in the wardrobe. More shelving just down here, and your mains fuse board. Shut that. Now, let me show you into this spacious bathroom. Here we go. Right. So, little motorhome, big bathroom. Skylight with towel hanger. Medicine cupboard at the back with quite a lot of space. Little pull-out sink with, again, the black tap. Really nice. Once that's out, you've got the wide toilet seat. Really nice little toilet roll holder on there. Lots of little things in here that are fantastic. Wooden duct borders at the bottom, as you can see. In this corner just here, we've got a space for your shampoo, conditioner, etc. And another little open shelf. Your black shower head, and these little screens here that just turn around and make this completely water-free. I'm going to now show you the operation of the optional drop-down bed. We tend to put it on these so it makes it into a 3-berth as opposed to a 2-berth. On here you can get 1 adult or, you know, 2 children. It is 2 meters long by 1 meter wide, so it's a decent size. And here we go. It has got the safety nets for the front and the rear. There is a ladder which attaches here and some touch lights on the top. This is a smaller Hecky. If you don't have this, it's slightly larger, but on this one they put the 400 by 400 in. Yeah, a great addition to what would normally be a 2-berth van to now a 3-berth. Right, let's take this little T5900 for a little test drive. Here we go. See how she performs. Yeah, in the Fiat cab here, nice leather steering wheel. All the controls here on the steering wheel for your cruise control and all your music system. As I say, we've got the reverse camera going here at the moment. It's constant feed. 8-speed automatic, which you don't even feel changing gear. It's really, really nice. Air conditioning, all the 12-volt USB in the front here. Cab blinds, which we'll touch on because they're part of the complete selection. Yeah, lovely place to be. They drive these vans. They don't drive like an old van of the the olden days. They're really, really smooth, really, really nice, and yeah, great compact motorhome. And because it's under 6 meters, you aren't pulling a great big area behind you. It's really nice. Yeah, loving it.
Hi, it's the original Nigel here. We've just lost the other Nigel over in the woods there, so I'm going to run through the specification of this motorhome with you. In standard specification, the cost of the vehicle is £67,490. To this particular model we have added a solar panel, the automatic gearbox, an awning, the complete package for the living area, the electric drop-down bed and the country pack. That brings this vehicle to a total of £73,650. Oh look, he's back again.
That's our tour finished on the Etrusco T5900 FB. I hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to join us in the next one. And if there's anything you'd like to say about it, please put it in the comment section below.